everyone. Today we are outside of the city of London, Toronto, Canada. The weather is so nice and peaceful, and the nature is so beautiful. We are in a small farm in Toronto, Canada. Look, there are sheep, cows, and other animals. People come here to sacrifice animals for Eid al-Adha. Longhorns.
He is 8 years old, 9 years old.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yes. See how she stays away from the wire?
Probably the mom and the dad of those two. But this type of duck is not very good at setting on their eggs and hatching them. So I take the eggs away and I put them under another mother and she hatches them.
Come here, babies.
The weather is so nice, relaxing mind, good feeling than in a busy city. Guys, it has really good feeling. I feel really good here. The weather is so windy, sunny. I love this kind of weather. Guys, thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share.